Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to Brainetainment, your virtual treasure trove of all things health and wellness. Brainetainment is committed to offering you easy-to-understand, scientifically backed information to help you take control of your health. Our primary focus is on the immense benefits of vitamins, those tiny yet powerful agents of health. So, tighten your seatbelts as we are about to embark on an enlightening journey into the world of vitamins, specifically 5 powerful ones that help protect you from nerve damage. Kicking off our list, we have vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Diving into the world of vitamins, thiamine is a real superstar when it comes to maintaining our nerve health. It's one of those essential nutrients that our body can't produce on its own, hence it's crucial to get it from external sources. This powerhouse vitamin plays a significant role in nerve function, as it helps our nerves to communicate effectively. It's like the telephone line of our nervous system. Thiamine aids in the production of myelin, a protective layer that surrounds our nerves. This layer is quite similar to the insulation around electrical wires, ensuring that signals are transmitted smoothly and rapidly. Without sufficient thiamine, this myelin sheath can thin out, disrupting the nerve signals and potentially leading to nerve damage. But where can we find this vital vitamin? Thiamine is predominantly found in foods like whole grains, meat and fish. It's also present in smaller amounts in milk and fruits. But the real gold mines of thiamine are yeast and pork, which are packed with this essential nutrient. So, a hearty breakfast of whole grain toast with a side of bacon could be a great way to kickstart your day with a thiamine boost. However, it's important to remember that thiamine is a water-soluble vitamin. This means that it doesn't get stored in our bodies for long and needs to be replenished regularly. If not, it can lead to a deficiency, which can cause a range of problems such as weakness, fatigue, and nerve damage. In severe cases, it can even lead to a condition known as beriberi, characterized by severe lethargy and fatigue. But don't worry, a balanced diet rich in thiamine can easily prevent these issues. And if you're concerned about getting enough, there are also thiamine supplements available that can help fill in any dietary gaps. Remember, thiamine plays a crucial role in nerve function, so make sure to include it in your diet. Next up on our list is vitamin B6, or pyridoxine. This vitamin plays an essential role in our nervous system's functionality. It's a real powerhouse, contributing to over 100 enzyme reactions, most of which are protein metabolism related. But here's where it gets interesting. Pyridoxine is also crucial for the creation of neurotransmitters. These are the chemical messengers that transmit signals from one nerve cell to another. Therefore, maintaining healthy levels of vitamin B6 is directly linked to the efficiency of our nerve communication. So where can we find this gem of a vitamin? Vitamin B6 is widely available in a variety of foods. Poultry, fish, and organ meats are all rich in pyridoxine, but not to worry, if you're more of a plant-based eater, you can also find it in starchy vegetables like potatoes and non-citrus fruits. Now let's talk about what happens when there's a deficiency of vitamin B6. It's not a pretty picture, folks. A lack of pyridoxine can lead to a range of nerve-related symptoms. These can include mood disorders such as depression and anxiety due to its role in creating neurotransmitters. It can also cause peripheral neuropathy, which is numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. In extreme cases, it can even lead to seizures. Of course, it's always best to get your vitamins from a balanced diet. However, if you're finding it difficult to get enough vitamin B6 from your diet, supplements are an option. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. It's clear to see that pyridoxine is not just a supporting player when it comes to nerve health, it's a star in its own right, making sure our nerve communication is smooth and efficient. So don't underestimate the power of pyridoxine in maintaining nerve health. Moving on, we have the essential vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. This powerhouse vitamin plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of your nerve cells. It contributes to the formation of the protective covering of nerves known as the myelin sheath. This sheath acts as a sort of insulation for your nerve fibers, allowing electrical impulses to transmit quickly and efficiently along your nerves. Without an adequate supply of vitamin B12, this myelin sheath can deteriorate, leading to nerve damage and a host of related health issues. Now, you might be wondering, where do we get this vital nutrient from? Well, vitamin B12 is commonly found in a variety of foods. Animal-based foods, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, are rich sources of cobalamin. For those on a plant-based diet, fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional yeasts can also provide the needed vitamin B12. So what happens when we don't get enough of this essential vitamin? The effects of vitamin B12 deficiency can be serious and are often linked to nerve damage. Symptoms can range from numbness and tingling in the hands and feet to problems with balance, depression, confusion, and in severe cases, dementia. It's also worth noting that certain groups of people are at a higher risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. This includes older adults, people with certain gastrointestinal disorders, and those on a strict vegan diet. But remember, while it's important to ensure adequate intake of vitamin B12, it's equally crucial not to go overboard. Like everything in life, balance is key. Overconsumption of vitamin B12 can lead to side effects like dizziness, headache, anxiety, and in rare cases, allergic reactions. To sum up, vitamin B12 is a key player in nerve health, contributing to the formation and maintenance of the protective sheath that covers our nerve fibers. It's found in a wide range of foods, but deficiency can lead to serious health problems. Cobalamin is vital for nerve health, so make sure to get enough of it. Next in line is the antioxidant powerhouse, vitamin E. Vitamin E is often hailed as a defender against oxidative stress, a process that can result in nerve damage. But what does this mean exactly? Oxidative stress is essentially an imbalance between the production of harmful free radicals and our body's ability to counteract their harmful effects. This is where vitamin E steps in. As an antioxidant, it helps neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells, including our nerve cells. But where can we find this superhero in our diet? Vitamin E is abundant in a variety of foods. Nuts and seeds, spinach and broccoli, and even tropical fruits like kiwi and mango are all excellent sources. However, it's important to note that vitamin E deficiency, while rare, can have serious implications. A lack of vitamin E can lead to nerve pain, muscle weakness, and even poor coordination. It can also compromise the immune system. That's why it's crucial to ensure we're getting enough of this vitamin, either through our diet or, if necessary, through supplementation. But remember, as with all vitamins, balance is key. Too much vitamin E can also cause problems, such as thinning of the blood. So, as always, moderation is the name of the game. In conclusion, vitamin E's role in maintaining nerve health cannot be overstated. It's a potent antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage, contributing to overall nerve health and function. Remember, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can help protect your nerves. Last but not least, we have the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. This vitamin is often associated with bone health, but it's crucial for nerve health as well. It plays a significant role in the development and function of nerves. Vitamin D helps maintain the health of nerves by promoting the absorption of calcium. Calcium is necessary for the transmission of signals in nerve cells. Without sufficient vitamin D, your nerves cannot function optimally. But where does one get vitamin D? Well, your body naturally produces it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. That's why it's often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. However, during the darker months, or for those who live in less sunny climates, getting enough vitamin D can be a challenge. In such cases, it's essential to include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet. Foods such as fatty fish, cheese, and egg yolks are all excellent sources. Now, what happens if you don't get enough vitamin D? Deficiency can lead to nerve pain and other neurological issues, including numbness and tingling in the hands, feet, and legs. It can also contribute to conditions like multiple sclerosis and peripheral neuropathy. In conclusion, vitamin D isn't just for maintaining strong bones. It's a crucial component in nerve health, too, playing an indispensable role in nerve development and function. So don't forget to get your daily dose of sunlight for vitamin D. So there you have it, 5 powerful vitamins that can help protect your nerves. Vitamin B1 or thiamine and vitamin B6, known as pyridoxine, both essential for nerve function. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin, critical for nerve health. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin D, crucial for nerve and muscle function. Each of these vitamins is a key player in maintaining your nerve health. Remember to subscribe to Braintainment for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.